To give the sketch a clear boundary and set the right size, we use a construction rectangle. Construction lines also help to position the ellipse. Since this drawing fits inside a rectangle, we start by drawing a construction rectangle. This construction rectangle shows the boundary and helps define the overall scale of the sketch, giving us a clear frame to work within from the start. This line is not part of the sketch. You can either delete it or turn it into a construction line. By turning this line into a construction element and connecting the two side lines, it becomes hidden like a reference point. It doesn't overlap the main contour. Now we've reached the point where we want to draw an ellipse at an angle. To do that, let's first create 3 dashed construction lines. They'll guide us for the position and the orientation of the ellipse. Construction elements are helper elements you use to organize and control your sketch. They don't show up in the 3D model, but they're very useful for alignment, symmetry, and building complex shapes like hexagons. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.